Making money with this method, CPA lead, is a complete fun. You can make big amount of money with this method. This is a very effective method which gives maximum percentage of success in affiliate marketing, and it's very easy. Trust me, most of the work and heavy lifting is being done by the CPA lead.com. They have designed an amazing platform, and it's as easy as it can be. Even the newbie can just start earning and making money straight away with this. The main method in this is that you create a log page. You send or you market an important information or a game cheat, and you offer a reader of your blog or the visitor of your site or of your social media platform, you offer them some helpful information or an important uh, book or a free training video or a game cheat or even a software. And then this, when they start reading about it and they are halfway through or they get some information, and then they, a pop-up screen, a locker screen comes up when they want to get into next page of information, and that is where a survey comes in. And trust me, this is a human nature, the curiosity of information blocked by a small survey or a questionnaire. So 100% or 99% of the people would like to fill up that information and get into the details. This is human psyche. So you, at that point, you give them a small survey to sign up, to fill, a questionnaire, and once they fill, you make money. And once they fill in that survey, and then that screen gets unlocked and they get the information which they're looking for, or they will get a free software which has brought them there. It is quite easy. And this is, CPA lead has many products, many ways of doing it. You can do it on desktop, on mobile, APIs, and a lot of products. You just see here, these are some of the products here. You see, uh, excuse me, it's already designed. You just need to click and get, and this is the amount which you will be paid. And see, this is the amount which you will be paid, $6.68 if someone will click on your ad. And you can do it even on in your social media. You can either do it or promote it in these links in your social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media platforms. Or you can have your own website or blog. If you have your own blog or a website, you can promote it in your blog and in your website as well. You see, there are some good amount, like this is $8.33. Find monster game. All you have to do is come here, click, and this is how, this is the link. You see this, share this URL to earn. You just need to copy this URL and then paste it in your Facebook or in your website or a blog. But read completely the whole information. See, only share with people from these countries. Jordan, now you can only market this in Jordan, all the devices. So that's why look for a product which is in your relevant country or which suits you. Like this one is $5.64, and it's in uh, okay, this is in Canada. So if you're in Canada, then you can just share this site, copy, and go and paste it in the Facebook, in your Facebook page, on your Facebook page, on your blog, or on your website. uh, these are the pay-per-click niches here. See, these are quite easy. You look for the niche which is at the same time gives you some good amount of commission, as well as it is interesting and relevant to your interest and all. 18 tips to make $90,000 with Amazon. Okay, now let me, in the next video I will explain further how to create what are the lockers and how to create and use these lockers.